Hello everyone, MSRNDA 2007 here, and today is Wednesday, January 19th, 2022 at 6:59 p.m. And this will be the 7 p.m. required weekly test on WXK85. So, everything on the shelf except for the ER50s on WXK85, ER50s on KJ195, and the WR400s on KJ194. So, yeah. Okay.
North Texas. Day 1, today and tonight. Winter weather. There is a chance of a light wind mixes coming across portions of central and southeast Oklahoma.
Okay, so you can see obviously
temperatures in the teens to produce chill values tonight. Fire weather. Although much colder, windy and dry conditions may elevate fire weather conditions.
I can see KJ194. Let's see if it decoded properly. And no, it didn't, but luckily in this case it doesn't matter because it was going to play the advisory tone anyways. So, yeah.
Highs in the mid-50s off.
There we go. Put this back over here where it belongs. So that thing decoded properly. Everything else decoded properly. This did properly. So, yeah.
1 degree.
So, yeah. Anyways, that's pretty much going to be it. As always, thank you so much for watching.